Hey Slay Gang! Today I will be doing a highly requested video. Yep, that's right. I will be showing you guys how to apply your luxury I Slay lashes. You asked and I am giving it to you. I know I get a lot of people saying, oh, I don't know how to put my lashes on. Can you show me? Or I want to really buy your lashes. They're so beautiful, but I don't know how to apply them. No worries, guys. I'm gonna show you how to put your luxury I Slay lashes on in less than 3 minutes. But for the sake of this video, and also my beginners, I'm going to extend it just a little bit longer. However, literally, it only takes me 3 minutes to put my lashes on. So if you wanna see how I got these beautiful lashes on in under 3 minutes, stay tuned. So the things that you will need is eyelashes, of course. Today, we will be using One Night Only. These are in my top 5. I love all of my babies, but this is definitely one of my favorites. Just get into that lash. I love the flutter and the tapered ends. These are just perfect. They're perfection lashes. Secondly, we will be using eyelash glue. As you can tell, this is bonding glue. Yes, bonding glue. This is what works for me. A lot of people feel indifferent about it, and that's fine. Do what works for you. However, the consistency of bonding glue just works, and my eyes are fine. If you do not feel comfortable using bonding glue, go ahead and use eyelash glue. This you can find in your local beauty supply store, and what I noticed is it has the same consistency as bonding glue. So when I can't find my bonding glue or I want to switch it up, I will use the eyelash glue. However, for the most part, I do use bonding glue. So today what we will be using is bonding glue, the 30-second bonding glue. Next, what you will need is manicure scissors. These you will use to cut the ends off of the lashes, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So let's go ahead and get into it. And basically you will start by pulling this tab here. This brings your lashes out of the box. And I'll just bend this here. Be very careful. You don't want to pull the hairs off of the lashes. So then I just pull that off of there like that. As you can tell, on the ends, that is what we will be clipping off. Hope you guys can see that. Now that our ends are off, what I like to do as well, or what I would suggest to you, is to place the lash on your lashes. And that's just to make sure that it fits. I never have an issue with any of our 22 styling lashes. I really don't have to cut much off at all except for the ends. My eye shape is just, they fit. So, but for some people, your eye shape may be shorter and you may have to cut some of your lash off, and that's totally fine. Now, a rule of thumb, what I would say, when you're cutting your lash, I always like to cut mainly the inner corner where your tear duct is, because that's where the hair will be shorter. However, with One Night Only, what I like about these is it's almost all one length, even in the corners. So it really doesn't matter with this lash which side you cut off. Now, if you have one of our lashes that is fluttered on the end, which may be longer on the end or give you more depth on the end or more thicker, you definitely don't want to cut that off, because then you will be cutting the style off. So then you will just go ahead and cut the inside, and you'll just kind of cut here and you'll put it on. But once again, this size works for me, so I'll just leave it as is. I'll take my glue, and I like to get just a little glue on the end of the head, just a tad bit. don't have to squeeze more out. I just take that little bit that came out and spread it across the entire lash band. I'll do the inside of the lash band and a little on the outside as well, or on the top, because those are the places that you want it to stick. So now that we have our lash glue on, I like to let it dry a little bit until it gets tacky. That's what you want the consistency of the glue to be. I blow on it a little. So you're gonna get the lash and you're gonna lightly place it on your natural lashes, not your eyelid. You'll start with the inner tear duct, work your way to the end, and here I'm just getting the glue off of my lash. This is why I like for the glue to get tacky, because you can do some adjustments if need be, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to use these tweezers just to match my natural lash with the false lashes, just for added security and a more natural look. Again, guys, do not get the lash on your eyelid. That's very tacky and it's just not a good look. The lash is on. We're going to move on to the next eye. Be careful when you're taking your lashes out of the package. Clip those ends. Gonna get your glue and you're gonna spread it across your entire lash band. Let it dry for about 7 to 15 seconds and you'll do the same thing. Lightly place the lash on your lash from one end to the next. That's the key. You want to lightly drop it on there. I'm just doing some more adjustments, and as you can tell, you don't have to use tweezers. You can use your fingers. And voila, it was just that simple and quick, guys. I know it may seem very, very simple to me because I've been doing it for years, but with practice, guys, I promise you will be a pro in no time. So once again, I only use my fingers. Tweezers may work for you, so try both. Try it my way and then try it a different way, and you will find what works best for you. And that's it, guys. I hope that this video really helped you. This was highly requested, and I'm so happy to give this video to you guys because I know that you guys really want to learn how to put your lashes on, and this is a quick and simple way to doing it. Everything that I use will be below in the description box. Also, guys, I have a treat for you. If you go to our website and you use the code YouTube2, you will get 20% off of your purchase. So make sure that you share this video, like, subscribe, and tell a friend. Until next time, slay gang, slay gang.